everyone, it's Dr. Cat Brown, the medical director at Winona. Here is another medical minute for you. If you didn't know, are heart palpitations symptoms of menopause? Absolutely, they can be. For many patients in perimenopause and menopause, heart palpitations or feeling your heart flutter, feeling your heart race, these can all be symptoms of perimenopause and menopause because our heart's responding to the changing hormones in our body. Now, warranted, if you ever get symptoms along with this of any chest pain, shortness of breath, any weakness or dizziness, you should get this checked out and make sure it's not something more serious, because it's still possible as women in midlife to have heart disease and heart symptoms. So worth getting checked out, but it is a very common symptom that you should be aware of. Are you experiencing those?